welcome to today's video. This is the Babylock Enspire, and I want to just pick out a few of the features that I really love about this machine. So we're going to start with this first one. This is a really handy little kit box. So it's a storage space for you to place all your tools. Now, isn't that quite cute? I really do like that. So all my little bits go in there, hidden away. Add a little chocolate bar if you want to. No one's going to know. Your little sweet stash. But then you can tuck it away and save all those goodies for when you need them, and they're easy to reach. Really love that about that. That's really ingenious. Now the next bit is just down here. See that little handle at the bottom? Do you wonder what that is? Well, let me show you. So you all know what it's like to change the needle on your machine. It can get extremely tricky, and if you're really unlucky, when you undo the screw, watch this. Don't you hate that feeling? That's the needle just dropped inside the machine. That can be quite tricky, but look at this handy drawer. Just caught my needle for me. Okay, let's move on to the rolled hem and the standard stitching. Now this clever little dial does the work for you. All you've got to do is turn the dial so you've got rolled hem stitching, or if you turn it back the other way, you've got standard stitching, and it works like this. So it's connected to a series of mechanism where this lever is going to pull back and it's going to bring back the stitch finger out of the way. When you move forward onto standard stitching, that stitch finger goes back into place. So it's just a series of these mechanisms all working in harmony, and I think it's quite clever how it's done. Now it goes without saying that the best feature on this machine is got to be the air threading system. It's a very simple mechanism actually on this machine as well. So all you have to do is set these pipes, align them up so that we've got a sealed network of air that's going to feed through the system. So these pipes connect and they click into place. Now what will happen is, now we've got all that sealed network, a jet stream of air can fly through those pipes and it will carry the thread with it. So it will feed the thread right through the mechanisms, right through the loopers for us, and it will automatically come through just like that. And we've not got to do any fiddling about. How amazing! That is such a relief for anybody who really struggles with overlocker threads. I know for some of us it can take hours, can't it? Yes, I know it does. So there we go. We're going to do it on the other thread as well. So just flip that switch over, feed the thread through, press on the pump action. That's going to carry that thread through and it's going to pop out at the other end. Now, I think that's a fantastic feature on any machine, isn't it? If it can take all the fiddly work away from us and allow us to just enjoy the machine, to produce the garments that we need to do or whatever products we're doing, that's perfect. I'm just going to show you this again because I'm aware that I didn't show you the full display of the pump as I fed the thread through. So here we go. We're going to just do that upper looper again. Press down on this pump. That catches the thread. It whizzes it out of my hand. Just make sure you've got plenty of thread when you do this. So when you've pulled down some more thread, you can press that button again. And did you see how quickly that thread came out at the other end? Really is such an easy task. Just grab your tweezers, pull that thread through, and there you go. Beautiful. Right, so now we've got the looper threads all threaded up. So easy and so much fun, actually. It's a pleasure to do. Wouldn't it be great if we could use something to get our needles threaded easily? Well, on this machine, they have a mechanism which is really nicely done. Again, just to thread up the needles. And this is just fixes either the left hand needle or the right hand needle, and all you've got to do is slide a switch over. You can see the hook in that needle threader that's pulling the thread all the way back. So just do that again from another angle so you can see it goes all the way in to the eye of the needle. So flick that switch over. We're going to do the needle on the right. Hold the thread ready. Bring the hook down. Swipe the thread over. And it pulls back. So easily done. You're going to love this machine. I love it. Now, just for you guys who are watching, here's a bonus treat. The 2-thread stitch on this machine is amazingly easy to do. Just remove the upper looper thread and we're going to pull back this little catch and flip it over so it covers up the upper looper eye. Easy as that. Bam. That's your bonus extra. With that, I'm going to leave you with some 3-thread stitching with only 1 looper in play. Now, if you haven't hit like or subscribe yet, do that now. And do comment below, let me know how you found this video. Was it useful to you? And I will see you soon. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Look at that stretch. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. See you soon.